Ophelia, what are you doing? This is a very big rope. I don't know if you can handle this. Get it. Come on, get it, Ophelia. I know it's kind of heavy. I know it's kind of heavy. Come here. Yeah, I know. I know. Let's see. Let's see if you get it or Sydney gets it first. Come on. It's a very big rope, isn't it, Ophelia? It's a very big rope, isn't it, Ophelia? Get it. Get it from him. Don't let him get it. Come on. Come on, get it, Ophelia. It's kind of fat. Let's find something a little lighter. Come on. Yeah. Come on, let's find something a little lighter. How about this? It's a lighter toy. Ophelia, how about this toy, girl? How about this toy? Get it, Ophelia. This is better, isn't it? Get it! This is better, isn't it? This is better, because it's lighter. Oh, yeah, get it. Get it, come on. What's the matter? You don't want to compete You don't want to compete with the toy with Sydney? Yeah, come here. Come here, Sydney. Come here, Sydney. Good boy, let go of it. Sydney, let go of it. Okay. All right, buddy. Good girl, Ophelia. Oh, good girl. What's going on? Who is this new dog?